Hi, this is Dirk from B&B. We're out driving our 70 El Camino. Kind of a windy day today, but still pretty airtight cab. You see the speedometer, the fuel gauge, a little above the corner, temperature coming up, oil pressure. Nice driving car, goes down the road good, even in the wind today, it doesn't go all over the place. So we got like a 25-mile-an-hour northwest wind, so like I said, little cab noise, but not much for as windy as it is. This is a nice driver quality car, runs and drives good, just a fun one to go cruise in. And then we'll take off and go through the gears. .350 turbo in it. Power steering. Brakes work good. Here, no clunks because they just put a resurface this here. First to second, second to third. So, nice driving car. Any questions? 605-695-7391.